Welcome to Math Challenge 612. Math Challenge for all school level math, junior and senior Olympiad math, university admission test, quantitative aptitude, numerical aptitude, and competitive examinations. In Math Challenge 612, we have a rectangle. This is a rectangle, not a square. A rectangle in which we have placed a semicircle and parts of the rectangle are shaded orange shaded. We have to find the area of the shaded region, the orange area, the orange shaded region. We have to find the area, a semicircle of unknown diameter in a rectangle, and the dimensions you can see are given. Now we have to find the orange shaded area, but before that we will have to find the radius of the circle. Math challenge 612. Now look at the animated right angle triangle. The animated right angle triangle. So this diameter, which is the hypotenuse, diameter of the semicircle is the hypotenuse for this right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, this diameter or the hypotenuse will be equal to square root of 10 square plus 24 square, that is 26. So if the diameter is 26, the radius will be 30. So we get the radius of the circle as 13 units. Now from center O, draw the horizontal and vertical lines as shown, OA and OC. We are drawing the horizontal and vertical lines. So OABC is a square because the two radii must be equal and radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. So all are right angles and two of the sides are equal. So this is a square, OABC is a square. And each side of the square is 13 units. We have drawn OA and OC perpendicular to the tangents. So we are getting a square of side 13 units. So we draw OG parallel to the side 10 of the triangle. The base is 10, so draw OG parallel to this. Now O is the midpoint. O is the midpoint because this is the center of the diameter. So through the midpoint, if you are drawing a line parallel to the base, the length of OG should be half of 10, that is 5. So OG is 5. So the total width is 13 plus 5, 80. Horizontally, the total width of the rectangle, 80. Now vertically, the total height. The bottom part, side of the square, 13. AB equal to 13. AD, which is equal to this side, that is from the top of the rectangle to G, that will be half of 24, that is 12. The full triangle, the altitude is 24. So by midpoint theorem, this part, the top part will be half of that, that is 12. So we get 12. So the total width is 13 plus 12, 25. AB 13, AD 12, which is equal to the half of this altitude of the right angle triangle, so 25. So vertically, the height of the rectangle is 25 units. So dimensions of rectangle 18 and 25. So the area would be 25 into 18, 450. That is the area of the full rectangle. Semicircle area, half into pi r square, half into pi 3.14 into r square 13 square, give you 265.33, and the area of the right triangle, that is the blinking, you can see the right angle triangle area, half into base into altitude, half into 10 into 24, 120. So the shaded area would be the full rectangle minus the semicircle minus the right angle triangle. So 450 minus within bracket 265.33 plus 120, giving you 64.67 square units. So that is the area of the shaded region, the orange shaded region. 64.67 square units, the required area of the orange part of the rectangle. That was Math Challenge 612. Follow us for Olympiad test papers, railway staff selection, banking recruitment, public service exam, teacher selection, math aptitude test, and all competitive examinations. Subscribe to the channel, like and share our videos, and if you have any specific questions, send them, and we will give you the solution. All our services are entirely free of charge. So we shall meet again. Till then, thank you and goodbye.